Hi! Welcome to Rosamond and Skye. I'm Rosamond.
I'm Skye!
And we're here to answer your questions. Today we have a question from Thomas. Thomas wants to know about the birds in Skye's house. Whose birds are they and where did they come from?
Which is a really weird question because who doesn't want birds in their house? Birds are fun. No one's allergic to birds.
Birds are tiny dinosaurs.
And who doesn't want a dinosaur for a pet? I want a dinosaur.
My son has a dinosaur pillow. And
That's like a pet?
So Thomas wants to know who they belong to and what their names are.
Well, as a special guest today, I brought my birds. Hi guys, come on in. Okay, hold on. Oh, what is she? Oh crap. Sorry. Oh, gross, man. Here, I'm just gonna kind of just put them so they're in the picture. These are my birds. And this green one down here is named Audubon. And this
That's a lovely name.
One, thank you. This little white one is named Gandhi.
What a wonderful person he was.
He doesn't really look like a Gandhi. Is that cultural appropriation? I'm all like, can I say that? Can I ask that? Is that okay? Am I digging?
I really don't know.
Anyway, these birds, sorry guys, they belong to my daughter, Willow Bob. And she rescued them when they fell out of their nest and nursed them back to health. And now they're our petsies. Hi guys.
They look tropical. Were you in the tropics when
No.
Willow Bob rescued them?
No, because they were so rude. They are the children of our first birds that we got at PetSmart.
Okay.
Oh, I think I just disconnected the cage. I hope the poop doesn't spill. Say bye-bye, birdies.
So there you have.
I'm sorry. It's all over everything. Gross.
There we have Skye's birds.
The rats of my house.
Indeed.
Actually, the rats of my house.
Okay, moving on. We have another question from Cindy in Tacoma, California. Cindy wants to know if we have any tips for first aid.
Did you write that?
This is a real question.
It's Tacoma again.
There are Tacomas. Or is the plural Tacoma?
There's one Tacoma.
Are you sure about that?
No.
All right,
Tacoma. Leave a comment. Hold on.
So, Skye, are you all right?
Bird dander.
Yes. Okay. Why don't you tell us about your first aid kit? Do you have it?
I brought it.
Okay, wonderful. Wonderful.
Retake.
Okay.
That was my bum in your face.
Yes.
This is my first aid kit. So, in an emergency, you just open the bottle. Okay, I'm just kidding.
Yes.
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
The
First
first
aid kit.
thing in my first aid kit is my mind. When somebody gets hurt, go to your calm place. Assess the situation. If they're bleeding copiously,
You call
you should
911.
clean up the blood first. If they're not bleeding copiously, then you can bind the pain with your mind. It's really cool. It's like plastic is fantastic. Bind with your mind.
Plastic is fantastic.
It's real. Yeah,
Plastic is also real.
not in the same way.
Okay.
Okay.
So, is this kind of like the power of positive thinking?
Yes. Yes, it is much like that.
Okay.
Because you can absorb somebody's pain into yourself. Oh, like you're not going to have pain. Just push it away. It's good. And then you find an appropriate remedy close by, like, for example, plantain, which is nature's Band-Aid. Stick it on there. It's like squish that, stick it on there. It takes out toxins and all that stuff. Or like your sock. Stick it on. Till you get home. And you will probably use duct tape and toilet paper because all your Band-Aids are gone. And that's what I do.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, absolutely
Basically,
does.
just use your common sense.
Okay.
If you have that.
I think I'll just share my first aid kit. This is my first aid kit. You can purchase it at many pharmacies or a Walmart or Target, and it's very complete and a good tool to have in the house. I also highly recommend that you get your CPR training, and you know me, I always like to be prepared.
You don't need CPR if you don't eat processed sugar.
In the event that you do eat processed sugar, I recommend CPR training, and I like to be prepared. So before I had kids, I got my CPR training, I got my lifeguard training, and my ENT. It was very valuable, and I suggest you do likewise.
Wow. So did you take a childbirth class when you had your first?
I had an epidural because I believe in Western medicine.
Okay, that's good.
It was good.
I had water births in the moonlight alone in my backyard. It was amazing. I was deeply fulfilled. Were you fulfilled?
I am very glad that your home water birth worked out.
I have Reiki training and my doula certification.
Okay, so you are also prepared.
Yes! You never know when you're going to give emergency birth. Just like surprise. Oh my gosh, here comes the baby. I'll be there. Pat your back.
This has been Rosamond and Skye. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below.
Comments, but no questions about birds. Don't want to freak her out.
Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.
Bye. Rosamond's tactics
Frankie is totally gonna pull this
are failing.
Come on, Frank.
Control. Toddler. Who's gonna win? Control. Toddler. Who's winning motherhood? I'm not.
I want you to come play with him, though. Well, bring it all over.
She's afraid of birds. It's because they have no sphincter. I'm sure of it. Birds, poop just drops out whenever it's ready.